Good morning, students. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Priyanka Mittal. Today, we will do the next topic, bases and alkalis. Yesterday, we have discussed about the acids. Acids are two types, mineral acids and organic acids. Today, we will study about the bases. What are the bases? Bases are those substances who taste bitter and have a soapy feel. Any type of soap, any type of hand wash you use is contain a base. कोई भी सोप आप अपने घर में यूज करते हो, ठीक है, कोई डेटोल है, कोई भी हैंड वॉश है, that all contain a base, and this base is a very good to destroy the coronavirus. Okay, the bases are the substances which have a bitter and soapy feel, number one, and which react with acids to form a water. The bases have a special property, means when the bases react with acid, it form a salt and water. Okay, like when you sodium hydroxide is a base, and when you react the sodium hydroxide with the hydrochloric acid, you will get sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means salt. जो आप घर पे नमक खाते हो, that is sodium chloride plus water will form. So base, when the base react with acid, the salt will form. Okay, this is all about the bases. And what are alkalis? Beta, bases and alkalis are the one and the same thing, but there are some bases that are soluble in water. Not all the bases are soluble in water. सारी bases water के अंदर soluble नहीं होती. जो bases water के अंदर soluble होती हैं, that are called alkalis. Okay. For example, sodium hydroxide or aluminum hydroxide are both bases. However, sodium hydroxide is termed as alkalis because it's soluble in water. देखो, sodium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide both are bases, but the sodium hydroxide is termed as alkali. Base तो है ही है, but alkali भी उसे कहा जाता है. क्यों कहा जाता है? Because that is soluble in water. Okay. There are some more examples. Some bases like sodium hydroxide, पोटाशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आर द स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस. में स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस मतलब इनमें बेसिस की अमाउंट ज़्यादा होती है, दे आर स्ट्रॉन्गर, इनकी पावर थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है. एंड सम बेसिस आर अ वीक बेसिस, मतलब उनकी जो पावर है दैट इज लो, लाइक अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, दीज आर वीक बेसिस. बेटा जिन ग्रुप के साथ मतलब सब्सटेंस के साथ OH ग्रुप लगाए, OH ग्रुप लगे ना, जैसे सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, दीज आर दीज आर बेसिस. बेसिस की पहचान कैसे होती है? जिनके साथ OH ग्रुप लगाए. और एसिड्स की रिकॉग्निशन कैसे होती है? जिनके साथ H ग्रुप लगाए, जिनके साथ H लगाए. जैसे हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड H लगाए ना, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड H लगाए, नाइट्रिक एसिड H लगाए, इट मीन्स दिस इज अ एसिड. जब आपको बोल दिया जाए चूज, एक ये है, I have given you HCl and this sodium iodide. Then recognize that which one is acid and which one is base. The substance which have H group is a acid, and the substance which have OH group is a base. Okay. So this is an easier method to recognize which substance is acid or which is base. Now, एक तो ये था, बट आपको कई बार केमिकल फॉर्मूलेज आपको पता नहीं होते. तो हाउ कैन यू रिकॉग्नाइज दैट द विच सब्सटेंस इज एसिड और विच इज अ बेस? So we have some indicators with us which tell us whether the substance is acid or a base. Acid and base can't be identified not only through their taste. ठीक है, एक तो हम टेस्ट से भी उनको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. द सब्सटेंस विच हैज अ sour taste is acid and which has a bitter taste is a base. But there are some substance called indicator. ठीक है, an indicator is a substance which show difference between the acid and a basic medium. Okay, So we have some indicators. The first indicator is a litmus paper. ठीक है, first indicator is the litmus paper. So we have two type of litmus paper with us, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. ठीक है, so we will perform this activity. I will show you how these red and blue litmus paper shows that which substance is acidic and which is basic. ठीक है, if the blue litmus paper change to a red, ठीक है, if in any substance a blue litmus change into a red, it means that substance is acidic in nature. If a red litmus paper change to a blue, if the red litmus paper change to a blue, it means that substance is a basic in nature. Let's do the activity to show which is a acid and which is a base. Dear student, now we will perform an activity to show which material is an acid and which is base. See, this is a litmus paper. Litmus paper is an indicator. Okay, it is an indicator to show whether the material is an acid or a base. This is a blue litmus paper. Okay, and this is a red litmus paper, and this is petri dish. In one petri dish I have pour a sulfuric acid, and in this petri dish I have pour a soap solution. ठीक है, इसमें मैंने सोप सोल्यूशन डाला है और इसमें मैंने सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड पोर किया. नाउ आई विल टेक a blue litmus paper. Now I will take a blue litmus paper. Now I will pour a blue litmus paper into this solution. See what happened. It changes into a red. It changes into a red color. Means this petri dish contain a acid. Because when you pour the blue litmus paper into a acid, it change into a red. Okay, I have taken another blue litmus. Now I will pour this into this solution. See what happened. Nothing happened. The blue color remains blue. It means it is a base. It is not an acid. Okay, now I have this a red litmus paper. I will pour this litmus paper into this solution. See what happened. It changes into a blue color. It changes into a blue color. Okay, so this solution is a base, because when you pour the red litmus paper into a base, it changes into a blue. Now I will pour this red litmus into this acidic solution. What happened? Nothing will happen. The red color remains the red. It means it is an acid and it is a base. Okay, when you pour a red litmus into a base, it changes into a blue color, or when you pour a blue litmus into acidic solution, it changes into a red. Hope you have understood this activity. Okay, now I have taken the lemon juice in this petri dish, and I will pour a blue litmus paper into it. What happened? It changes into a red color. So it proves that lemon juice is acidic in nature. Okay, and the soap solution is बेसिक इन नेचर. ठीक है, इसमें आप सोप सोल्यूशन भी ले सकते हो, डिटर्जेंट पाउडर भी ले सकते हो, एनीथिंग यू कैन टेक इट, शैम्पू भी ले सकते हो. इन दीज मटीरियल्स, ओके, द रेड लिटमस चेंज इनटू अ ब्लू color. Okay, Now students, we will use the next indicator, that is phenolphthalein. I have this indicator with me, phenolphthalein indicator. ठीक है, I have two petri dish. In one petri dish there is a hydrochloric acid and in another petri dish there is a detergent. Okay, I will pour this phenolphthalein solution into this acid. See what happened. कलरलेस, ठीक है, कोई कलर रेड ब्लू में चेंज नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, इट मीन्स दिस इज एसिडिक इन नेचर. नाउ आई विल पोर दिस इनटू दिस पेट्री डिश. सी व्हाट हैपेंड. इट चेंज इनटू अ पिंक कलर as it is written in your book that the phenolphthalein, when we pour it in a basic medium, it will change into a pink color. See, we have poured this phenolphthalein into this detergent solution, it will change into pink, so it is a basic in nature. But when we pour this phenolphthalein into a hydrochloric acid, colorless color will form. It means this is a acid and this is a base. Firstly, we have indicator litmus paper. Now the turmeric can also act as an indicator. जो हल्दी है वो भी आपकी एक इंडिकेटर है. The turmeric can also tell which substance is acid and which is base. Okay, आपने कभी देखा कि हैंकी जब आपके क्लोथ पे कभी हल्दी का दाग लगा है, जब आप उसके ऊपर सोप लगाते हो तो दैट चेंजेस इनटू अ रेड. ठीक है, ये क्यों होता है? बिकॉज द टर्मरिक चेंज इनटू अ रेड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ बेस. मतलब जब बेस के टच में टर्मरिक आती है दैट चेंज इनटू अ रेड. दिस एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू डू एट योर होम एंड यू हैव टू टेल मी वेदर यू हैव परफॉर्म दिस एक्टिविटी और नॉट. आई विल मार्क सम मार्क्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस एक्टिविटी. ओके, आपने जस्ट मुझे बतानी है कि आपने ये की है कि नहीं की है. ओके, आपने क्या लेना है? तो बाउल लेने हैं आपने, 2 लेने हैं. उसमें क्या डालना है? आपने टर्मरिक डालना है. क्या करना है? टर्मरिक डालना है, थोड़ा सा वाटर डालना है. क्या डालना है? वाटर. 2 बॉल्स ले लिए. ठीक है, दोनों में थोड़ी थोड़ी हल्दी डाल के थोड़ा थोड़ा वाटर डाल दिया. देन इन 1 बोल यू हैव टू ऐड अ डिटर्जेंट पाउडर. सर्फ डालना है आपने. क्या डालना है? डिटर्जेंट पाउडर. यू विल सी द डिटर्जेंट पाउडर विल चेंज इनटू अ रेड color. That solution will change into a red. Because why that solution changes to a red? Because detergent is a basic in nature. The turmeric change into a red color in a basic medium. ठीक है, it turns red in a basic medium. And in another bowl you have to add some lemon juice. नींबू का रस डालना है आपने. You will see that solution remains yellow in acidic mediums. ठीक है, so you can say the turmeric can change into a red in the basic medium and remains yellow in the acidic medium. You have to perform this activity at your home and give a confirmation to me whether you have to perform it or not. I will mark some score for this activity. Okay, then a juice of China rose. China rose आपने फ्लावर्स देखे, उसका जूस also act as a natural indicators. It turn a dark pink when added to acid and turn green when added to a base. So natural indicator कौन कौन से हुए? एक तो turmeric is also a natural indicator and juice of China rose is also a natural indicator. Another commonly used indicator is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, it's a chemical present in a chemistry lab. It is colorless in acidic medium and turns pink in a basic medium. Hope you have understood this. You have to remember this all indicators. What are the 4 main indicators? Litmus papers, turmeric, China rose and phenolphthalein. And you have to remember which color is changed in an acidic or basic medium. You have to remember all the indicators and their change in color in acidic and basic medium. Hope you have understood this. Have a good day.